Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to use one of these single cup coffee making machines. Stay with us. We'll show you how to use it. Okay, here's your water container. You can take it off and fill it, or you can just fill it up whatever you want. It needs to be at least to the minimum right there. Turn that back around right there. And we'll get us a cup of something and we'll make one. Let's make some hot chocolate. We got a hot cocoa pot here, or a little plug. What we're going to do, put our mug right there. If you lift this and lower it, it'll come on. See there? So it comes on. Pick the size you want. We're going to say an 8-ounce one, okay? All right. Lift this up. Put your mug in there, your plug in there, your cup. Close it. Let it go. Just 8 ounce there. It's cooking it. Looky there. Here it comes. It's hot. See it smoking? It's filling up the cup. I can see it. I think it's about through. Look at there. Slowing down a little bit, I think. It's sitting on a little tray there that you can lift up if it spills and clean out. I think it's done. There it is. I think it's time to drink our hot chocolate. We'll see how it is. If you have a larger cup, you want to go bigger one, like 10 ounce, take that out, set that down. You take this off, clean out anything that's dripped in there, okay? When you're through, click this, turn the power off. Woo! Look at that. It is hot, so be careful. Pull your pod out and let it drip all over everything and throw it away. Well, let's clean this up. There we go. There's our pod. It's done. Little hole right there. Do not take that lid off before you cook it, okay? Because it punches a hole in it and makes it for you. Push that down. Turn the power off right here. Hold that in for a few seconds. And it'll go off. See there? It's off. You're ready to cook another one. All right, you want to clean this little tray off? Just lift it up like this. We'll take it over here to the sink and wash it out. All right, we're going to wash this little guy out. It's going to need a lot of fast water running there. There's our little tray. Take the top part out. Wash it off. Take the bottom part out. See where it's dripped in there. Empty that out like so. Set it up there and let it dry. You're ready to put it back in. Now you've got it washed out. Set it back in right there. You're ready to make another cup. Now they make all kinds of little pods. Go check them out. My wife likes the espresso, fancy coffee stuff. I'm a big hot chocolate fan, so check them out. Here we are. There's our hot chocolate. Ooh, it's hot. See it steam my glasses up there? Oh, that's good. It is hot. I may have to let it cool off a little bit before I can drink it all. It'd give me a spoon and kind of stir it and cool it off some. Ooh, it's hot, but it is good. So you see how that little coffee maker works? If you have a larger cup, you can take that tray out on the bottom, put it in there. You can get up to a 10-ounce cup. This one was 8. Ooh, that's good. Hot and good. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to drink much more of that for a few minutes. So, well, you see how it works. The one single cup coffee machine. Go check them out. I've got some listings below and to them on Amazon. If you want to go check them out. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.